Comments like this really keep me going. In this tutorial, I'm definitely going to be showing you step by step how I got to my clean girl aesthetic everyday makeup. So let's get into it. Now, yes, I know it's annoying, but yes, skin prep is very important, but you definitely have to make sure that you're taking care of your skin. You can't be doing skin prep and not taking care of your skin. They go hand in hand, so make sure you're doing both. If you want a brow tutorial, let me know, but brows were done off camera. To highlight my face, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camera Concealer in the shade Deep Caramel, and I'm putting that under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, and just everywhere that the light touches, just to give it a highlight. Pro tip, putting your concealer on the outer corners of your eyes give your eyes a natural lift, and that's what you see me doing. And definitely I'm going in with my Handy Dandy fan because that speeds up the process to make sure we're not here for hours. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade Mocha, and I'm dabbing that into my skin with a dense brush. Mine is from Sephora. If you see a product that I'm using and I didn't elaborate on what kind, comment down below and I'll let you know. Next is contour, and I think contour took my makeup from mid to flawless. So if you're not doing it, start doing it now. While I let my contour sit, I blend out my concealer with a concealer brush. Next, take your bronzer and apply that all over your lid. Yes, girl, bronzer, not eyeshadow, bronzer. Yes, you can go in with a brown shade in your eyeshadow palette, but if you do not have that, you can always use your bronzer. I did add a little bit of concealer on the bridge of my nose, so I'm blending that out. And I did add a second layer of concealer under my eyes, just to give that a little bit more brightness. Then again, girl, yes, I am blending out with a concealer brush. Blending with a beauty blender is not the best technique for under your eye. Now for a seamless finish, take your foundation brush and blend out any harsh line. It's time to set your contour, and I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour kit, and using dabbing motions, I'm placing that in all the areas that I place my contour. Now here is where your beauty blender will come in handy. Use your beauty blender to pick up any excess product before applying your setting powder. Use the setting powder of your choice. I'm using Sacha Buttercup, and place that under your eye. I set my under eye before going in with excess product to bake. And don't forget to set your concealer in all the areas that you placed it earlier as well. Now this is the part of makeup that I always call the trust the process part. So I know I look crazy, but you will see how it will come out in the end. One thing I'm gonna do every single time I'm doing my makeup is definitely dance. Anyways, you don't want your under eye to look like crazy, so blend that out with your foundation powder brush, and I'm using mine from Real Technique. Now, I was trying to stick to all drugstore makeup in this video, but I can't go without my MAC Studio powder foundation in the shade NW50 to bring everything together. Now, to keep everything in place, go ahead and set your face with the setting spray of your choice. Next is liquid liner and mascara. I did apply mine off camera. If you want to see a tutorial on that, let me know in the comments below. Now, a gold shimmer in the inner corners of my eyes is always a go-to for me. Now, girl, orange blush is better than pink blush if you are looking for that clean girl aesthetic. Add your favorite highlighter directly onto your blush and set your face. I'm going in with my NYX setting spray. Is it just me, or makeup is way more fun when you're playing music? Like, guess the song I'm listening to. I did apply my lashes off camera, and I did go ahead and use a tweezer to press them together so it looks natural. Now this is my favorite part, and it's time for the lip combo. Now I'm taking my brown lip liner from the beauty supply store. Yes, girl, beauty supply store. And I'm lining my lips with that. I don't necessarily overline my lips because I don't feel like I need that. Maybe in the future, but not right now. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm just getting into this lip combo thing, but the nude lips just have me in a choke hold, okay? They just have me in a choke hold. After I line my lips, I'm going in with my Maybelline nude lipstick, and I'm placing that on the middle section of my lips. As you guys can see, I'm reapplying it after reapplying it because I just want it to come to the shade that I want, but not too overpowering. I'm not gonna lie, in the moment, I didn't even realize how well this foundation, this face, this base, everything was coming out, but it looks so flawless. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, girl, yes, the lip combo is not done. I'm going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline, and I'm applying that all over my lip, avoiding my liner a little bit, but I'm gonna reapply it in the corners of my mouth. Now, when you're adding your gloss, definitely make sure to not put too much gloss on that lip, because then it will erase the combo itself. As you can see, I'm definitely feeling myself, but I have to go in with my last setting spray, and that is my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm applying that all over my face. Apply your setting spray generously, and definitely if you have a handy dandy fan, just use the fan and dry your face, girl, and I'm telling you, it will come out looking like this. If you're still here, girl, you are a real MVP, and I want you to leave a brown heart in the comments so I could know who my real MVP is. If you love this look, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more beauty content. And let me know in the comments what's your go-to clean girl aesthetic products. See you in the next one.